Hi, I'm Jack Kornfield, and I'm excited and pleased to see your interest in this masterclass in interactive guided meditation.
It's all kind of therapeutic ways.
I've been teaching for 45 years after training as a Buddhist monk and getting a PhD in clinical psychology, and all the while learning ways to support the flourishing of the best of our human possibilities.
The source of this training comes from my own wish to pass on in some way or leave this part of a legacy of practices.
The training skills here are a visionary blend of Eastern and Western psychology, among the deepest and most potent and effective ways I know for opening the body, heart, and mind. Effective for both individuals and for groups, these skills can evoke profound wisdom, new understanding, bring alive courage and a tender heart, and new ways to guide the lives of all who use them. Students who took the first round of this class say it is one of the most powerful and impactful trainings they've ever done. I've used these practices with students on retreat, with clients in therapy, with gang kids who are suffering from the tragic loss and killing of friends and neighbors, with cancer patients and those who are ill. I've used them with the CEOs of top multinational corporations, and all have benefited.
So as you sit and let yourself just be here, being here where you are, a quality of presence, mindfulness, which we'll call loving awareness.
In this series, you'll learn the basics of all guided meditation, and then discover how interactive guided meditation allows you to interact with, dialogue with, and take those you are working with quite directly to profound levels of new understanding. In the training, there are practices for true presence, for the resolution of trauma and healing, for overcoming life obstacles, and for inner empowerment, and for opening new visions of the future of your life, and even, for the fun of it, past life regression. After recording this training with a select group, I'm now pleased to offer these, my favorite and best ways of working, to all of you, therapists, healers, meditation teachers, and dedicated meditators.
Come into silence.
This training is a doorway to access new levels of understanding and deep well-being, and offer those who take it radical gifts. If you want to see the written curriculum, please click below. And then with the next link, you can sign up and take this course, following and learning at your own pace. It can change your work and your life. I look forward to seeing you on the screen with pleasure. Thank you.